Here is your severe weather briefing for Tuesday, July 12th and Wednesday, July 13th. Strong storms are still possible later today, but the higher severe weather threat will be Wednesday afternoon and evening. The hazards for later today will mainly be gusty winds and maybe some small hail, but for tomorrow we are looking at damaging wind, hail, and maybe even an isolated tornado with rounds of heavy rain. Impacts from these hazards will be trees and crop damage, possibly to power lines as well, and could even see some isolated structural damage, especially if we see any tornadoes. Timing for today will be late afternoon and evening, mainly from 5 to 10 p.m., and on Wednesday in the afternoon into the evening hours. So for today and tonight, thankfully, the main severe weather threat has now been shifted to the south and east of the local area, but there still may be some strong storms that redevelop later this afternoon and evening, with small hail and gusty wind the main threat. This is mainly across Wisconsin and into eastern Iowa, but it will depend on the exact location of the cold front as it moves through. And this again is from 5 to 10 p.m. For Wednesday's severe thunderstorm outlook, we are looking at severe storms possible with hail and damaging wind and also an isolated tornado, mainly along and south of Interstate 90, highlighted in the yellow area in the graphic. Timing is still a bit uncertain, but sometime into the afternoon and evening hours. The primary risk levels for Wednesday's event will be for damaging winds and hail. Tornadoes, not as likely, and heavy rainfall, while still possible with the strongest storms, is not our main concern at this time. Here is our current weather story highlighting the threats for today and into Wednesday. So in summary, hail and gusty wind threats are for later today into the evening. Hail, damaging wind, and tornadoes are possible into Wednesday, but there are still uncertainties on where storms will form and track. Timing for today is late afternoon and evening from 5 to 10 p.m., and Wednesday a bit broader of a time frame from afternoon and evening. Locations for today across Wisconsin and eastern Iowa, for Wednesday along and south of Interstate 90. Thank you for your time, and if you have questions, please visit our website or interact with us on social media.